Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 18th of October 2023. Let's see what's happening in the market. Let me share my screen with you. Right, starting with Forex Factory. Sorry, it's for 18th of October. This analysis is for. I may have said 17th of October, but it's for 18th of October 2023. Right. So as you can see, there's no heavy impact news in US dollar. However, there's 5 p.m. medium impact and 1:30 p.m. medium impact as well. The rest of the day, we had Chinese yen heavy impact in the morning, early morning 3 a.m. That's all on the UK time. I would say 7 a.m. GBP. That's pound. If you trade in GBP pairs, then that might help you to make some pips. And also we got 8:15 p.m. USD medium impact. So they are spread all over the day. These are all over the trading times. Right. So going to Dixie, which is USDX, we can see the mark in 4 market has room to come down further, although it's rejected from this level, made a double bottom from here and it's rejected. And now it does have a room to come down. And let's see how the market will behave. And 1 hour, you can see this. There's still possibility. However, draw a Fibonacci level from here daily. There's a rejection from 0.618 level. Also, there's a rejection. That doesn't mean it has to reverse back, but market can do anything really, because there's a fair value gap here. It still can come down up to at least up to this level. But let's see what's going to happen. We have to go with the market, how the market behaves, and we have to look for evidence in smaller time frames to take further trades. And also news may help as well to get our decisions to be correct. All right, going to gold. What's happening here? As you can see that in 4 heights, there was a double top here, and market came down, and now this was the Asian high and then Asian low here, and market came to from Asian low to it broke the Asian high, come back into the Asian zone, and then now trying to break this Asian zone here. Right. And what next? As you can see, that market had given this very sharp move to the upside. Let me put into 4 hour again. From here, and everybody was expecting the market may come down, and technically should have come down here. But because of the war situation, because of the fundamental news, we know that market may not come down. Why? Because it has tested this level of this level 0.38 level. However, and then it didn't come down, and it's highly likely it will come down, especially if the war situation doesn't improve. So I'm expecting the market to move back out of this zone, Asian zone again, and possibly break out of this area, and then the next target is 1950. Let's see if that happens or not. But however, if this market breaks this level, 1910 level, then we'll have next targets around 1885. That's one target. And further down, we have different targets, as you can see here. Let me move these lines to the downside here. So that's the situation. We have this line here as well. In fact, we do not need this line anymore. So it is a clean move here. If the market breaks this area, then we can definitely see the sharp move up to 1885 level. But if the market, as I said, it doesn't look like, so it's possible the market will move up to the upside. But let's see. We have to go how the market moves, and we have to make our decision accordingly. Market have a very good chance from here. We go to smaller time frame. From here to come to this level and break this, and then go to the upside. But probably it's not going to happen. Why? Because I said because of fundamental news. And also daytime we had a news, positive news. Even the news was positive, high impact news was positive. Still the market didn't go down or break this level because of the war situation. So I'm expecting the market should go to the upside and break this next target around 1950 level. But let's see how it's gonna have behave, and we have to go according to what's happening. Not we have to be reactive. In fact, we have to take decisions according to how the market moves. So especially if this area is broken here, then we will see probably see sharp move to the upside, and this area is broken, then sharp move to the downside. But anyway, let's see what's going to happen, and I wish you all the best. Have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye bye.